Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make photo collage in Instagram story. So if you want to create aesthetic and creative photo collages for your Instagram story, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make a stunning collage directly on Instagram app. So what you need to do is here just open the Instagram application and then just open the Instagram story camera, click on a plus icon, and now you can just slide down and tap on this layout option, and here you can take a picture directly, or you can also choose pictures from your gallery by tapping on this little image icon at the bottom, this one. Then you can just find your photos. For example, in here I'm going to just find the photos. Why? Okay, so now I'm going to add 4 photos. You can just select the first one and then add another one by clicking on the plus button. Choose another photo here and then repeat the same steps after until all of the frames is filled with the photos. Okay, like this. You can see now the photo collage has been created. You can now just tap on a check icon, and in here you can also edit it again. You can resize, make it smaller, or make it full like before. You can also add some sticker or gifs or your avatar. For example, you can just add your avatar like this, and you can also here add music if you want to, add the music that you want, or maybe you want to add like this album cover like this. So you can just customize it on your own, or you can also add some Instagram filter or effects to the collage. Click on done after that, and if you want to upload it, you can just tap on your story or close friend if you want to only upload it to your closest friends. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button and subscribe. Bye.